All right, Debbie has a weekly salary of $80, and then 5% commission. That just means earnings on whatever she sells. So 5% of whatever she sells, she gets back. So she makes $80 and then 5% of whatever she sells, and she sold $800. What is the ratio of her commission to her salary? Okay, so we need to figure out what her commission was. So that's 5% of 800. 5% is a decimal. Remember, we moved the decimal point 2 places to the left, so we have to add a 0 to get 0.05. And to find 5% of 800, we multiply by 800. So 5 times 8 is 40. And we have to add 2 zeros. So 40, because we're multiplying by 800, not 8. And then we're multiplying by 0.05, not 5, so we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So 5% of 800 is $40. All right, ratio, that's the commission. So commission is $40, salary is $80. Ratios compare two things, and that's what it's asking us to do. So they want the ratio of the commission to the salary. And writing it with a colon like this, you could write it as a fraction, or in words. Usually when we're comparing something like this problem asks us to, they'll do it with a colon like that. So commission to salary is what they're asking for. So that would be 40 to 80. And then we can reduce this just like a fraction. So like, what are 40 and 80 both divisible by? I noticed right off the bat that 40 is half of 80. So that is the same thing as 1 to 2. You could think 40 and 80 are both divisible by 40. 40 divided by 40 is 1. 80 divided by 40 is 2, just like you would do if it was written as a fraction like this, which is another way to write it, but our answers were in this form. So the correct answer in this case would be B.